Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious bean sprouts recipe. I hope you will like it. Bean sprouts are extremely rich in calcium, B vitamins, vitamin C and carotene, and have diuretic, antidiarrheal, swelling, pain-relieving, and digestive aid functions. Today we are going to make braised bean sprouts with salted egg. Hurry up and save the recipe and click to follow my channel, because you will receive my simple recipe videos uploaded for free every day. If you are willing, please give me a like and give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thanks for your support. Ingredients are bean sprout, salted egg and carrot. Sliced carrot. Cut dried chilies into section, chopped ginger. Mashed salted egg and set acid. Stir-fry chopped ginger and salted egg. Add hot water, simmer to release flavor. Add carrot slices. One teaspoon pepper powder. Add bean sprout, cook until softened. No need to add salt because salted eggs already have a salty taste. Salted egg bean sprouts is done. Crispy bean sprouts with salted egg sauce are really appetizing with rice. Give it a try, hope you like it too. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.